name is Cindy Vasquez. I am from Modesto, California. I grew up watching my grandparents and my mom cook in the kitchen, so they taught me all the basics of cooking, and that's where we spent a lot of our time. My culture and tradition is important to me because growing up in America and my grandparents coming from Mexico, it helps me connect with them more.
And then I spill it like this. When I came over here to Modesto because the weather is so hot, and I hate to go to the store and get some fresh vegetables, so I started doing that because I learned that from my dad. My dad used to plant a lot of big fields of tomatoes and vegetables, so I learned from him. See, this is a real good.
Oh wait, I got, look, this right here, I have 2 of those at my house right now, girl.
Okay. So since then, I just keep on showing my grandkids, you know, how to do that. Especially my little granddaughter, and she started doing her own too. She got her tomatoes, cucumbers, and oh, beautiful. So I love it.
Oh, that's when Kathy cheered for the Panthers. That was before me or Lizzie did. The culture difference between my family and myself was, I think they had to learn more, especially being brought up in a different country than here. Here, we definitely had a lot of different ways and traditions, but they tried to keep their traditions alive and pass them on to their grandkids and daughters. The culture and traditions my family has taught me has came in good use because now that I'm adult and I moved out, I know how to cook. I know how to garden on my own, and I have that all to thank from my parents and grandparents. Now I want to be able to teach my kids how to plant one day and grow their own garden of vegetables.